Welcome to our channel, Space Cadets. Today, we're blasting off on a journey to explore the final frontier. And no, I'm not talking about the back of your fridge after a holiday weekend. We're talking about artificial intelligence, the kind of technology that would make data from Star Trek feel right at home. From self-driving rovers on Mars to telescopes that can spot a dime on the surface of Pluto. Okay, maybe not a dime, but you get the idea. AI is changing the way we explore the universe. It's like giving our spaceships a brain boost, enabling them to think, learn, and maybe even crack a few space jokes along the way. Who knows? Maybe one day they'll be telling us where to point the telescopes. How is AI lending a helping hand, or should I say, a processing unit, to our space endeavors? Imagine you're a rover on Mars, millions of miles away from your human handlers. You've got places to go, rocks to analyze, and maybe even a selfie or two to take. Every move takes time and energy, and you don't want to end up lost in a Martian crater. AI acts like a super smart GPS, navigating terrain, avoiding obstacles, and choosing rocks to study. It's like having a robotic field geologist, except it doesn't need oxygen or bathroom breaks. AI's talents don't stop there. Telescopes and spacecraft beam back an astronomical fire hose of information. No human team could sift through it all. AI acts like a cosmic librarian, analyzing data with incredible speed and accuracy. It identifies patterns and anomalies that would make even the most seasoned astronomers' heads spin. And let's not forget about the robots. AI gives our robotic explorers a level of autonomy that would make even the Jetsons jealous. From assembling space stations to performing delicate scientific experiments, these AI-powered machines are indispensable partners in our quest to understand the cosmos. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite cosmic real estate exoplanets, those tantalizing worlds orbiting distant stars. Finding these planets is like trying to spot a firefly in a supernova explosion. It requires sifting through an almost unimaginable amount of data, looking for the faintest of signals. But fear not, planet hunters, because AI is here to save the day. Just like a bloodhound hot on a scent, AI algorithms can sniff out the telltale signs of an exoplanet hiding in a star's light. They can detect the subtle dimming of a star as a planet transits in front of it, or the tiny wobble of a star caused by the gravitational tug of an orbiting world. And once we've found these exoplanets, AI can help us figure out what they're like. By analyzing their light, we can use AI to determine their atmospheric composition, temperature, and even whether they might have the right conditions for life. Think about that for a second. AI is helping us search for life beyond Earth, a quest that has captivated humanity for centuries. It's like having a cosmic detective on the case, and it's already led to some incredible discoveries. Remember the days when spacecraft were basically glorified tin cans with antennas, relying on constant instructions from Earth? Well, those days are numbered, my friends. Thanks to AI, we're entering a new era of autonomous spacecraft, capable of thinking for themselves and making decisions without human intervention. Imagine a spacecraft on a mission to Jupiter's moon Europa, a world thought to harbor a vast saltwater ocean beneath its icy shell. This spacecraft is equipped with an AI system that allows it to adjust its trajectory, collect data, and even choose the best landing site, all without calling home for instructions. This kind of autonomy is crucial for missions to distant destinations, where communication delays would make real-time control from Earth impossible. It's like giving our spacecraft the freedom to explore on their own, making decisions based on the information they gather in real time. But it's not just about exploring other planets. AI is also playing a vital role in keeping our astronauts safe. Imagine a future mission to Mars, where a crew is living and working on the surface for months or even years at a time. AI systems could monitor their health, diagnose illnesses, and even assist with medical procedures, all while staying in constant communication with mission control back on Earth. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the astronaut on Mars. Getting humans to Mars and beyond is arguably the biggest challenge in space exploration. It's a journey fraught with dangers, from radiation exposure to the psychological stresses of long-duration spaceflight. But fear not, Martian pioneers, because AI is here to make the journey a little less daunting. Think of AI as your all-in-one Martian survival guide. It can help astronauts monitor their vital signs, optimize their diet and exercise routines, and even provide psychological support during those long, lonely nights staring out at the red planet. And when it comes to actually living and working on Mars, AI will be an astronaut's best friend. Imagine AI-powered habitats that can regulate their own temperature, atmosphere, and even grow food. Or how about AI-assisted rovers that can scout out the surrounding terrain, collect samples, and even build infrastructure? With AI by their side, astronauts will be free to focus on what they do best, conducting scientific research, exploring new frontiers, and maybe even writing the next great Martian novel. The ultimate multitasker, AI in satellite operations. Let's shift gears now and talk about those unsung heroes of space exploration satellites. These orbiting marvels are responsible for everything from beaming down our GPS signals to providing us with stunning images of our planet. But managing a constellation of satellites is no easy feat. It's like conducting an orchestra where each instrument needs to be perfectly in sync. That's where AI comes in, acting as the ultimate cosmic conductor. It can optimize satellite orbits, schedule observations, and even diagnose technical problems, all without missing a beat. This allows us to get the most out of our expensive space-based assets, ensuring that they're always in the right place at the right time. And let's not forget about space communications. As we venture further into the cosmos, communicating with our spacecraft becomes increasingly challenging. Signals take longer to travel, and the bandwidth available for transmitting data becomes more limited. But fear not, space communicators, because AI is here to boost our signal. AI algorithms can compress data, optimize transmission rates, and even predict and correct for signal interference, ensuring that we can stay in touch with our spacecraft even when they're billions of miles away. The perils of progress, challenges and risks of space AI. Now, before we get carried away with all the amazing things AI can do for space exploration, it's important to acknowledge that there are also challenges and risks involved. After all, we're talking about putting a lot of trust in machines to make decisions that could have major consequences. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that AI systems are reliable and robust. We need to be confident that they can handle the unpredictable nature of space, where extreme temperatures, radiation, and other hazards can wreak havoc on even the most sophisticated technology. Then there's the issue of cybersecurity. As AI systems become more complex and interconnected, they become more vulnerable to hacking and other cyber threats. Imagine the consequences of a rogue AI taking control of a spacecraft or a satellite. It's the stuff of science fiction nightmares. And let's not forget about the ethical implications of using AI in space. As we give machines more autonomy, we need to carefully consider the ethical guidelines that will govern their decision-making. After all, we don't want to create a future where AI-powered spacecraft are making decisions that could harm humans or the environment. To infinity and beyond, the future of AI in space. Despite these challenges, the future of AI in space exploration is incredibly exciting. As AI technology continues to advance at an exponential rate, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications in the years to come. Imagine self-repairing spacecraft that can diagnose and fix problems on their own, eliminating the need for costly and time-consuming repairs from Earth. Or how about AI-controlled space stations that can operate autonomously, conducting experiments and maintaining themselves without the need for a human crew? And then there's the ultimate frontier interstellar travel. The distances involved in traveling to even the nearest star system are so vast that it would take current spacecraft tens of thousands of years to get there. But with AI, we might just be able to crack the code of interstellar travel. Imagine AI-powered spacecraft that can learn and adapt on the fly, navigating the complexities of interstellar space and even searching for habitable planets around other stars. It's a mind-boggling prospect, but one that might just become a reality thanks to the power of AI. AI, the future of space exploration. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed to the cutting edge of space exploration and witnessed the incredible ways AI is transforming our understanding of the cosmos. From autonomous spacecraft to exoplanet hunters, AI is rapidly becoming an indispensable tool for unlocking the secrets of the universe. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that we're not alone in our quest to explore the cosmos. We have a powerful ally in artificial intelligence, and together, there's no telling how far we'll go. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure, and be sure to let us know in the comments what you think the future holds for AI in space exploration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more mind-blowing space content. Until next time, keep looking up.